I'm Chloe.
I'm Becca.
I'm Sam.
We're from Detroit and we're in Paris.
And you're watching FunForLouis. Boom!
Good morning, everyone. We've decided for the last day in New York to come down and chill by the pool before we head off. And it was such a good idea. So guys, I'm just testing out my new Gopro session. Just controlling it with the app on my phone. It's looking pretty cool. It's tiny. I reckon I could put it in my mouth. Oh, this is good. How's the audio once I come out? Is it good? Is it muffled or is it pretty clear? Oh, this is such a good temperature. So we managed to get late checkout from our rooms today, but that is in 6 minutes, so I should probably go upstairs and pack and get dressed.
Yeah.
We've checked out and we are ready for coffee. And we need to meet Nick as well. He's gone to CrossFit. He's on it at the moment with his fitness stuff. You girls ready for coffee?
Yes. Yes. Ready. Most beautiful morning.
Isn't this a great area, Rachel?
Oh, I'm the happiest I've been in such a long time.
Tell everyone the plans that we have for October.
For October,
Yeah.
we're coming back. We're going to chill in Williamsburg for like 10 days. We're going to work. We're going to take time off. We're going to just...
Because we were kind of sad that we were about to leave this place, even though we've been here one day.
These are our vibes.
So yeah, this like inspires creativity, I think.
Yeah.
We have our bags. The Uber has arrived and we're running a little bit late. Shall I go on the other side? Yeah. Okay, cool. I can't wait to come back here, guys. This is the place to come.
Louis, do you know what's better than flying?
What?
Free Uber codes. Uber Nick Miller. Rachel's just posted a story. You should go check it out. It's amazing.
No!
And
Don't! I hate Nick Miller! But really, you're on a layover, you've got another flight to catch, and you want to...
Thank you. LA, here we come. Best legroom ever. Best legroom ever. And TV and power under our seats.
Oh, everything's enjoyable.
said she was hungry, so we pressed this button, and the nice man brought everything.
All the snacks.
Show us your assortment of snacks.
What is that?
Beetroot? Is this beetroot? Is this beetroot?
No,
Blue potatoes. Doritos. You happy?
Very happy.
Ladies and gentlemen, JetBlue Airways welcomes you to Los Angeles with a local time at 7:35 p.m.
We have landed in LA. Oh, that's quite an easy flight. It's nice with leg room, chilled, laptop club, internet, power. Pretty awesome. Did a good job, Ange. Thanks for booking that. How was your flight? Yeah? Let's go and find Raya, who's been waiting for us for a couple of hours. She landed here earlier. And we also need to find some food because I'm hungry. How you doing, Raya?
Good, yeah. Have to explore LA.
Yeah.
Whoa, I don't want that
I like nuts. We've just jumped in the shuttle bus to go and get our rental car. We are all getting on the insurance to drive the cars, so we don't get stranded.
But just need your initials to find their please.
Yeah.
Here and here, and then you're all set to go.
Cool.
And then you're going to go to the mid-size SUV section, and you can take any.
Wow, anything.
Out these doors, say mid-size SUV straight back.
Okay.
Any of them.
Sweet. You're so strong, Nick. I know. First stop, as always, as we arrive in LA, is In-N-Out Burger. We're all pretty hungry. It's right next to the airport. Raya and Rachel have never had In-N-Out, so. We have our food. Are you excited to have your first In-N-Out Burger, Rachel?
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
I can't even speak.
How about you, Raya?
I'm also very excited.
And these guys, as usual, went for their protein style. No buns. How's the lettuce?
It's really good, actually.
Yeah. We are heading to our apartment. Apparently there's a hot tub. This place is incredible.
Yes, yes. I usually do a slower tour, but this is yours.
Yeah. No way. Whoa. And is that the hot tub out there? What is that? Guys, this is the shower. There's a whole room. There is a whole room for the shower. Oh, it's one of those ceiling ones that just... This is so good. Guys, unreal.
So,
This is for parties, yeah?
you're all set up in the green room.
Yeah.
And you're all set up in there. You're
These
cool.
giant bean bags. I know. Just want to come chill in my lounge.
What?
What? How good is it?
This is the Marrakesh room,
Yeah.
which is the signature room of the house.
American. And then look out there.
And that's the hot tub.
Yeah. And there's like a shrine.
I took the cover off the pool for you guys.
Great.
You. And this is the.
The pool's pretty warm.
We
right
made
now.
Louis happy.
Probably just don't fit into it.
Guys,
So deep.
the hot tub.
Oh. Let's go get up that, guys.
This is like a little, what is this place?
It's like a little, it's called a shrine, and it's made by the guy who makes them for Burning Man. That's what he was saying. The guy who makes the
Whoa.
shrines for Burning Man. He's made this, it's all made
incredible.
from reclaimed material.
What? What going to put this out there, guys. I think this is one of the most incredible houses I've ever visited, and I can't believe we're actually getting to stay here for a few days. This is insane. And it's got to that time of the night where I'm going to be getting a hot tub. Oh. I'm so happy. I'm feeling like our pace of life is going to slow down a little bit up until VidCon anyway. We were just saying on the drive over here from the airport that LA is like 1,000 times more chilled than New York. Definitely Manhattan, where we were at Times Square, so it's going to be a nice contrast. Amazing. Alright guys, I'm going to chill in here for a little bit and then head to bed. We've got quite an early morning tomorrow. It's going to be exciting. I'll tell you all about it in the morning. Peace out, enjoy life, and live the adventure. Boom.